Hey, good morning everybody. I gotta be a little quiet because the homeowners are upstairs kind of just waking up. So today I'm going to show you how to most effectively fix a Drafty basement. So their basement has a walkout. We're in Bloomfield right now. Nice porch. That even the basement has a porch. Pretty sweet. But anyways, so my point is that it's open. The basement's not underground. So they've always complained that their basement was cold and they would get drafts in. And so surprisingly enough, we did find insulation in the walls. Not the best, but so we tore out the, there was paneling and drywall and it was still drafty. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix all that. We're gonna use spray foam. And we're gonna take out all this old insulation. We're gonna put spray foam in and then put like R11 on top of the spray foam, and then we're gonna drywall everything, seal up all around. There's nothing behind the brick, so because of the fireplace, you can't have insulation within a certain distance of the fireplace. So we're not gonna put insulation back there. We're just gonna seal up that. Let me see, get my finger there. Seal up around the edges there, and then oh, there we go. And then we're gonna put spray foam and insulation up here in the ceiling / floor joists along the edge of the house, because there was nothing there. And yeah, we'll go from there, and I'll show you guys video of how that's all gonna work. And once we're done there, we're gonna start putting this basement back together. If you guys like the videos we're posting, like and subscribe, and see you next time.
Hey everybody, just to let you guys know, we're not a spray foam installation special. We don't specialize in spray foam installation. I just wanted to let you guys know that the video's not on how to do spray foam. It's on what to do if you have drafty walls or drafty basement or cold areas in your house, and how you can fix that. We're using 620 Froth Pak A and B mixture. The cans are sold separately at Menards, and you can also buy the hose, which is sold separately. It's a 15-foot hose. The instructions are really clear. Anybody can do this. It's not extremely difficult, as you can see. I just wanted to show you guys video on what we were doing and how we were going about doing it. And also, earlier in the video, I mentioned that we were going to put fiberglass insulation back in the walls. Obviously, we're not going to be able to do that because we're filling the wall cavities to capacity with the spray foam. And then we'll clean up any excess, obviously, so that we can drywall back over. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe. And I try to do videos at least once a week, sometimes more often. Constructive criticism is always appreciated, and thanks for watching.